Okay, enough said. Let's get unboxing. Yo, what's up sneakerheads? Today we have an extremely exciting review. We are going to be reviewing the Air Jordan 1 Yellow Toe Taxis. We've been waiting for these shoes for a very long time and we have finally got them in possession.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, we waited quite some time to get hold of these. We missed out on the first raffle and we ended up going to resale. And we finally got one, unboxed it, and we were very pleasantly surprised, I suppose is the right word, especially I was, as this is sort of the shoe of the year for me.
Okay, so first off, we have to look at these amazing black and yellow colors on the box.
Yeah, 100%. I love how they've given it a yellow box with the black Nike branding, which is really complemented by the amazing leather they've chosen on these particular Jordan 1s. It's a really clean colorway, and I feel I'll be talking a lot more about the leather in this video.
Yeah, the yellow on the toe box and the black swoosh really make this Jordan shoe stand out.
Also, I just want to add that we can't forget the iconic taxi colorway that actually pays homage to the New York cabs. But did you guys know that this is actually not the first time this colorway is actually dropped? The Jordan 1 Shinedown, which was some kind of band, actually had their friends and family from memory drop one absolutely identical. Have a look at this and look how much it's going for on StockX. Like seriously, $19,872 Australian. Anyway, the only difference really is this exclamation mark. Who thinks these shoes could actually be the ones that end up going over 10 grand in the next 12 months? Another thing to know is you don't get any extras in the box, you just get the black laces. For some reason they didn't think we would need the yellow laces.
The leather is really soft and it looks like they have used premium leather all around this shoe.
Yeah, that's right. They really have gone all out on this Air Jordan 1 Taxi. It's got premium yellow and white leather all around, a black padded tongue with the famous Nike Air tag in yellow, as you can see, yellow and white. And let's not forget the black embossed Air Jordan brand on the side of it, which is always, it's just iconic and clearly has to be on every Jordan. And these are clearly going to be going up in value. We managed to get them around retail, around $270 in Australian dollars. But we know they're going up. They're around $400 to $500 already in Australia. One more thing I want to add is we are probably going to be doing that review where we compare the Pollens and the yellow taxis, only for the fact that they've kind of got the opposite colors. So the black box with the yellow branding, the shoe's very similar. Leather's probably better, definitely better on the taxi than the Pollen, but we will be doing that review in the coming week or so. Okay, well that's about it from me. I'll hand you back over to Elijah, but before I do, please don't forget to subscribe. He's obviously going to ask you to do so. We're trying to really grow our subscription base, so if you can assist us and leave some comments, that would be great. Shoes that you'd like us to review in our comments, and we'll definitely be getting back to you. Thanks again.
I've got to smell these shoes. Amazing. That's it for today. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, because you never know when we post your favorite shoe. And that's it. Bye.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game